Introduce highlight features and quick overview of humidifiers for bedroom. Birobin 3 liters Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier for large room home office. 27 decibels quiet and small humidifiers for baby, top fill, easy to clean, auto shut off. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Protect your skin and moisten your breath with Birobin Humidifier. Do you snore at night or your nose feels congested? Are you experiencing dry coughing/really dry throat? Does your skin become flaky, dry, or itchy when you wake up in the morning? Do your kids find it difficult to sleep for a full night? If any of the above rings true to you, then dry air might be the underlying cause. Cool Mist Air Humidifier by Birobin, your answer to dryness. The Cool Mist Air Humidifier is a wholesome solution for adults, kids, and babies alike. Place it in any room around the house and sleep, meditate, read, or relax with your family as comfortably as possible. Adding humidity to dry air may temporarily aid you with congested nose. Let yourself sleep through the night without waking up every hour. Snoring issues. Bring serenity to your partner and yourself with improved sleeping at night. Dry coughing, dry throat. No more getting irritated from constant coughing that ruins relaxation. Dry skin around the nose, mouth, or body. Wake up fresh, rejuvenated and good looking. Discover a deeper, replenishing sleep experience by improving the air quality at home. Do away with congestion all year long and pass this flu season, uninterrupted. Birobin Ultrasonic Humidifier, refresh your life. Are you deeply troubled by dry air? Birobin Ultrasonic Humidifier is a good choice. Birobin Ultrasonic Humidifier comes with enlarged 3 liters water tank and 360 degrees rotatable nozzle, which can highly improve humidity by adding moisture to the air for your dryness environment. Perfect for allergies, baby, dry skin, or plants indoor. This Cool Mist Humidifier is also a suitable decoration for your house with its exquisite and compact modern design. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.